Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 high ping or latency. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to support.activision.com and look for server status. So sort it out by Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, and then you need to make sure that all platforms is online. So if the problem is not on their end, then we can proceed to the next steps. So the first one, you need to go to the speed test or other things and just speed test your internet connection. So if you have a good internet speed, you're good to go. And if you don't, maybe limit some devices and restart your router, right? And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, you need to open up CMD or command prompt and then run as administrator, press yes. And then here you need to just write IP config / DNS, and then you need to write nesh winsock reset, and then restart your computer, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to the system tray. You will see your internet access here. Right click on it, go to network and internet settings, and then go to advanced network settings here, and then just reset your networks adapters to factory settings. And keep in mind that if you're using Wi-Fi, you need to make sure that you know your password, because you'll need to re-enter your password again here. And restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to here, more network adapter options, and disable your internet for a few seconds here, and then enable again. And then go to properties and make sure that Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled, and also then go to Internet Protocol version 4 and then press on use the following DNS server addresses. And on preferred DNS server you just need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you just need to write 8.8.4.4, and then apply the changes. And if the problem persists, the last thing that you can do here, you can try play by using VPN. I'm using Privado VPN, super affordable, and I believe it costs for me around $2 per month. So if you're interested to it as well, I will leave the link in the description below. But it has good ping, so you just need to select the location here, and then you can sort it out by latency from low to high ping. For me, as you can see here, first one is from Poland servers, and just connect to the servers. And once you're connected, then you can try the game, and you need to look if you have high ping or latency or not, right? So you can test out this VPN if you want to. It has the free trial, and I will leave the link in the description below if you want to as well, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.